Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are good and getting benefits from our YouTube channel. My name is Arshdeep Sharma. Nowadays, due to the effect of COVID 19, we are giving online classes for all of you. In this video, we will discussing the second module of PTE Academic, that is writing. In this method of lesson, I am going to explain the key structures of writing section in PTE. In this lecture, we will share important tips and tricks for writing section. Yes, writing is the second module of PTE. Let's start with basic tricks and tips. There are two parts of writing section. First one is summarized written text and second is write essay. We will explain every and each thing with help of examples. Basically, your writing section is based on two different parts. Now let's start the first and important part of this section, that is summarized written text. We will discussing all key points of this section. So let's start with scoring section. Scoring section is based on many factors, for example, conjunctions, spelling, grammar, important keywords, and written discourse. There are a lot of points for not only your writing section but also for your reading section. Your summarized written text has 5 pillars like these points, so you must know about this. In summarized written text, we have 10 minutes to type and you can write minimum 5 words and maximum 75 words. But there is one condition. You cannot use more than one full stop. It means you have make your summary in one sentence. So, what is technique? What is the tips? You can try to type minimum 30 words and maximum 35 words. One thing, in writing section, conjunctions play a vital role in this part. Conjunctions are very helpful for getting good marks. Mainly we can use in summary. Conjunction is a part of speech that is used to connect words, phrases, clauses or sentences. We can use many conjunctions in our writing section. For example, and, for, but, yet, so, or, and also, so on. For example of this tips, we can get very good scores in PTE. Okay guys, now we will discuss about the second part of this section, that is write essay. We will learn that logically ideas which help you to organize to written ideas clear and grammatically way for improve your writing section. We will learn how to use templates, scoring structure of essays, all types of essays, and top of that how to understand writing skills. In this lecture, we will share important templates and techniques along with the tips for write an essay. When you have no idea how to write an essay, you can get good scores in writing section. For getting good marks, firstly, you have to write down some important words in your writing essay. Don't think if you write so much words only then you can get good marks. This is totally wrong because your spelling mistakes may be increased. So with the help of many words, maybe you are going for wrong path. Your grammatical mistakes, your spelling mistakes may be not sure about it. Firstly, understand the task. Write an essay about 200 to 300 words as Pearson's word limit. Second is 1 to 2 questions. Each question has 2 to 3 sentences. Sometimes we have one question or two questions. Third is 20 minutes to write the essay. Make a plan to complete the essay in 15 minutes and think about the ideas to write the essay. Then you have need to save 5 minutes for check the spelling mistakes and you can improve your grammatical mistakes. Now we can discuss about scoring structure. 15 marks for each. First is content, 3 marks. means scored by determining if all points of the topic have been addressed. Second is form. 2 marks scored by counting the numbers of words in between 200 to 300 words. Third is grammar. Fourth is vocabulary. Fifth is development structure and coherence, scored according to the organization of your response. Transition between paragraphs must be smooth. Sixth is general linguistic range, means convey clear ideas, use complex sentences and vocabulary. And last is spelling. Consistently use same spelling conventions. And now we are sharing some tips and strategies. First is be attentive with word limit 200 to 300 words. Second is write in clean and concise paragraphs. Third is be sure to write correct spellings. And fourth is always proofread the essay. Okay, we have some topics of write essay. For example, positive and negative effects of technology through mass media. Second is in developing countries tourism has advantage and disadvantage. Now we are discussing about essays prompts. First is agree or disagree, causes and solutions, advantages and disadvantages. Basically use 4 points to write an essay, that are introduction, body paragraph 1 and 2, and conclusion. Lastly, conclusion is very important of this section. Okay students, if you still have any query, you can send us messages in comment box. Surely we will get back to you. So now this is the end of the today's section. We further support to you with different strategies of PTE Academic that will help you to achieve your desirable scores. And if you have further questions, please get in touch with Rudra Consultants and contact us on 9394 000 100 and 95922 21243. Thanks.